Good day everyone, and today we're going to tackle about us, about human being, and also about the levels of relation, origin, and hierarchy of human love. Na simply that means na hindi tayo nabubuhay mag-isa, kundi we are relate with each other, to love, and eventually to build families. First and foremost, tao tayo at natural sa atin ang makipag-ugnayan. According nga sa philosophers, man is thrown into the world na simply that means na kailangan nating makipag-ugnayan at wala tayong choice. Sa simpleng pakikipag-usap o pakikisama, that is a proof that we are social beings. Secondly, attraction and love. Normally, a man and a woman attract to each other. Una, attraction lang. Pero habang tumatagal, nagiging love, nagiging care, at nagiging commitment. Yun yung mga dahilan para makabuo ng pamilya. Kasi, love is more than kilig. It's about responsibility. And next, dahil maraming nagbubuo ng pamilya, tuloy-tuloy ang cycle ng human relations. Ayon sa 2015 census, umabot na sa 100 million ang population sa Pilipinas. Ibig sabihin, habang may nagmamahalan, may kasal, at dahil dito, tuloy-tuloy ang paglaki ng populasyon. And lastly, for this introduction ay hindi lang love ang basta kailangan ng mga anak, kundi it's about responsibility din. Parents have to provide the biological, emotional, educational, and also the social needs ng mga anak. Kaya may family planning din kasi para masigurado ang future ng mga bata or para may mas maganda silang future at para din sa mabalance ang society. So, let's move on to the main point of our topic, which is the human relation and hierarchy of human love. And first and foremost, we have a acquaintance and friendships. Now, we are very familiar from this. Dito nagsisimula ang lahat. Dito natin nalalaman ang getting to know each other. Friendship grows kapag may trust, may respect, at may shared experiences. So, dito nagsisimula ang lahat. Dito nag-start ang friendship ng mas makabuluhan where it leads to marriage. As we experience this, di ba? From our experiences na friendship grows kapag may trust, may respect, or may shared experiences. So, kailangan ito sa friendship kasi ito yung magsisilbing foundation or to lead in a deeper connection or deeper love. Kung walang respeto at trust sa pagkakaibigan, mahirap din mag-build ng matibay na relationship. Tandaan po natin yan. A good and fruitful marriage shall begin with this stage. And next, we have the courtship. In this stage, it's about expressing attraction. Nagpapakita ng intention na gustong alagaan ng isa't isa. Relate ba kayo dyan? So, in courtship, it's not just about romance. It's also about discernment. Dito natin malalaman kung pwede ba kayo magsama in a long run kasi dito natin malalaman kung same goals, same priorities, or same values in life. So, maraming relationship ang nagbe-break or nawawala or yung mga nanliligaw na biglang nag-stop kasi they found out na di sila match ng value. So, maraming nauwi sa hiwalayan. Almost or most of all na maraming na-failed sa stage na to sa courtship. And treat each other as special. Pero, minsan, hindi pa openly na inaamin. Kaya, minsan may presumption lang na kami na. Or mapapatanong ka na, kayo na ba? May kayo ba? Or, ano na ba kayo? Parang ganon. MU can be so sweet and at the same time, too risky. Kasi kung walang clear communication, maaaring magkaroon ng assumption and misunderstanding. So, napaka-importante ng openness and honesty sa stage na to para this stage is maging healthy. Para mag-stay lang. If they reconcile the relationship, they will go on. But if not, the relationship will cease to exist. Simple lang yan. Then, di ba marami ng samples na if they failed, they find someone new. Di ba? And next, is yung malapit na sa exciting part. It is the engagement. So, it is the period of commitment, preparation, at involvement na ng mga families, each others. Dito na pumapasok na mas kilala nyo na ang isa't isa. The strengths, the weaknesses, mga ugali ng both families, at also open din ito sa both sides of families. Mas kilala na kayo at mas kilala nyo na sila, each other, or both sides. At sa stage din na to is marami na kayong na-overcome na challenges na nagpa-strong sa inyong dalawa to come this stage, the engagement stage. As a Filipino, we are really aware na pag sinabi nating engagement is parang planning in a wedding or planning the wedding. So, hindi lang po dyan, it's not just about the wedding. So, it's about, the engagement is also about the how to manage the marriage life. So, it's about the emotional maturity, the financial readiness, and also the shared goals. So, kapag ganyan, you should be talk it out or talk clearly na in the long run, magstay kayo no matter what. And lastly, we have the marriage or the wedding. Ito na ang pinaka-peak ng hierarchy of love. Ito na ang pinaka-lifelong commitment and pinaka-legal na band ng mag-asawa. Diba, as you remember from the attraction in the acquaintances, turns to friends, then turns to lovers, goes into mutual understanding and engagement, then binding together and has an intentionally or binding together into long-lasting relationship and has intentionally na mag-raise ng family on their own. The wedding day is the most awaited and big day for the lovers. They will mag-i-exist na yung boyfriend-girlfriend na tawagan, ex-boyfriend or ex-girlfriend, and magi-change na ng husband and wife. So, pretty soon, they will be called as a mother and a father pag nagkaanak na sila. Marriage is a journey, not just one-time event. Dito na natin makikita kung paano nila harapin ang buhay together with the challenges, the conflict, the pain, or whatever. Dito natin makikita. Kasi the real test of love comes after the wedding. So, dito na natin matitest kung how bold are you, how bold you are together. So, and this, of course, dahil marami na kayong na overcome, so it's easy to overcome again na together kayo, mag-asawa kayo. So, dito na po nagtatapos ang ating human love, the origin and hierarchy of human love. So, ano nga ba yun? The acquaintance and friendship, the courtship, the mutual understanding, the engagement, and lastly, we have the marriage or the wedding. So, palagi po nating tandaan, love is a process. Hindi agad umaabot sa marriage. So, it goes through levels that test patience, commitment, and maturity. So, yun lang po. At thank you for listening. Bye-bye!